Hi you guys, what's up? My name is Sakshi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing a Sunday reset routine. We are just going to get our lives together for the next week. This month is almost about to end. I didn't even do a monthly reset, so I definitely need a weekly reset for sure. So yeah, we're just gonna have a super fun day. So I'm gonna get started with my skincare, but before that I'm thinking that I'm gonna do a face mask. The face mask is on. I'm gonna keep it on for 10 minutes, and in the meantime I'm gonna do some journaling, and you guys can also journal with me. I would love that for us. Alright, so now I'm going to do my skincare. First things first, I'm going to use an essence on my face. This is the one that I'm going to use. Next thing that I'm going to use is this 10% vitamin C face serum. I'm using this hydrating gel from Dot & Key. Last but not the least, I'm going to go ahead with the sunscreen. So I'm going to be using this 1% hyaluronic tinted sunscreen. Anyways, we're done with the skincare. I don't know about you, but I personally feel that Sundays are great if you just want to get your life decluttered. And for me personally, what really gets messed up is my closet, and just like my drawers, like my desk drawer, these things for some reason get really messed up. So I'm gonna clean them up right now. Okay, so you guys, I do have a few of the products from the derma that I want to talk to you guys about. So these are the three things that I have. We have the 10% vitamin C face serum. This is the one that I was using in the morning to just like do my skincare. So the serum is supposed to help you with dullness and to help you get a radiant skin, which obviously it is something that everybody is aiming towards. Moreover, the serum helps with pigmentation, and if you want to have an even toned skin, this is the product that you need. Next, let's talk about their sunscreens. I have been using their sunscreens for a really long time and I just am obsessed. I swear to you, this one in particular is my current favorite sunscreen. It has SPF 50 and it is a hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel. It contains a broad spectrum and it also has blue light protection, which we love. Also, you guys, the best and the most important part about a sunscreen is that it doesn't get really greasy. And then the next thing that we have is their 1% hyaluronic tinted sunscreen. This is the product that you use when you don't want to put on a shitload of makeup. It is supposed to help with just evening your skin down, and it just looks really nice and ain't that cakey, which we love. And you are getting a sunscreen and a really nice tint, which we love. And again, this one actually have a SPF 60. So this sunscreen in particular also keeps your skin moisturized. Yeah, you guys can go ahead and check out my description, and there will be all the links that you might need for checking out the products and just like getting to know more about them. And I obviously have a coupon code for you guys, which is SAKSHI2022, and you will be able to get 20% off on their website. They are also available on Nykaa, Amazon, all the cool sites. So you guys, I just ended up painting my nails. These looks really nice. These are already chipping off for some reason. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do right now is unbox this. I got it today in the morning, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna complete everything and then I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, because after this point all I'm gonna do is read this novel, or I'm gonna complete the other one that I was reading so that I can start with this. So obviously I have a novel inside it. I'm just gonna open it with you guys. I just love her books a lot. I even love Verity a lot, and Ugly Love. Oh my god, that one is my favorite book so far. But we're gonna read this one. I am extremely excited. I just love. Actually, to be honest, I am reading the second part of a book for the first time, and I have high expectations. You know what? Now that I think about it, I think I'm gonna read this novel in like a separate video and like make a whole video about it.